Hello, so we are going to talk about an example in this slide. So this is an EM wave. So you see the red is indicated by electric field and the magnetic field is our blue color here. So let us say an electric field is oscillating at 100 kilohertz. Let's say an electric field E is oscillating at 100 kilohertz. This is your question. So what is the frequency of magnetic field right here? So the answer would be exactly 100 kilohertz. So because an electric field is equal to the magnetic field. The frequency of an electric field is equal to the magnetic field. Let's say EF is equal to BF. Okay, so because they are oscillating at the same frequency. So this is, let's say, X plane, this is in the Y plane, and the Z is the wave propagation direction. Okay, or the radiation into the space. So if then electric field oscillates, let's say at 1 megahertz, the frequency of oscillation for the magnetic field would also be 1 megahertz. So always remember that. Now let us talk about an energy. We have already seen that what is an energy of EM wave. I will show you that when we talked. So in this slide, we see that I have already shown you that what is an energy. Energy E equals to H times F, which is H equal to Planck's constant, given by this value. Or we can also write an energy E equals to H times, just plug the value of frequency, which is C over lambda. And C is your speed of light, the speed at which the wave EM wave propagates into the space, which is given by this constant. Now we have to understand, we have to calculate in our question what is an energy in the E field and what is an energy in the B field. So coming back to our slide right here, we see that we have the question right here that we are going to understand. So the question here is, what is the RMS strength of BRMS if ERMS is given, which is equal to be 7.15 into 10 to the power minus 9 Tesla. So BRMS is given, not an ERMS. Let me just correct it. We'll take an eraser here and we'll write it correctly. So this is an ERMS is to be calculated and BRMS is given. So we are given the magnetic field strength, that is BRMS, and we have to calculate ERMS. So there is a relation between electric field and the magnetic field energy. So ERMS, which is the strength in the electric field component, you see in the picture here with the indicated by the red oscillating waveform, that is an electric wave, and there is an energy in this wave or strength of an energy. What is the peak value, what is the maximum energy this signal contains, that is indicated by ERMS, and that has a relation with the BRMS, which is equal by C multiplied by BRMS. So BRMS is the red curve energy, that is the energy contained by the magnetic field component, and C here is your speed of light. We know that C is approximately 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. This is the speed at which the EM wave propagates into the space. So we can easily calculate that. We just plug in these values, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second multiplied by 7.15 into 10 to the power minus 9 Tesla. And that comes out to be approximately 21 into 10 to the power minus 1, okay, or approximately 2.1 centimeter, and the unit of the electric field will be volts per meter. That is the energy of an electric signal. So if you are given BRMS, you could calculate ERMS. If you are given ERMS, you could calculate BRMS. So that is basically a strength of EM wave. If the electric field strength is given, you can calculate strength in the magnetic field and vice versa.